Hello and thanks for joining. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to download the latest version of Python for Windows. And the first thing you're going to do is want to open up a browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser that you like. I'm going to go ahead and type in Python download. And the first hit that will probably come up should be this one, python.org/downloads. I'm going to go ahead and open that page. You'll notice over here that you'll automatically get the latest version on the main page here, which is version 3.7.2. I'm going to scroll down and you'll notice there's older versions if for some reason you want to load an older version, but I am going to do the 3.7.2. I'm going to expand this release version here further down this page, and that'll bring up a new page and it'll have new features for this release. And if you scroll down, it'll have several different options. The reason why I chose to drill down a little bit here is I want to load the 64-bit version for the download. The default, I believe, on that main page will download the 32-bit version. So what I want to load is, or download, is the 64-bit Windows executable installer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And once that's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to locate that download file. If you're in Chrome, it'll be right here on the bottom left of the browser. You go ahead and click it, and then you're going to go ahead and say install. Right before install now, go ahead and check the box for add Python 3.7 to the path, and then go ahead and click install now. And then you're going to get prompted to give permission for this install. Say yes. And then we're going to let that install. By the way, if you don't know if your system is a 32-bit or 64-bit, you can right-click on the Start menu on Windows 10 and choose the System option. And just scroll down in the About section here, and you'll see, in this case, it's a 64-bit system. Okay, so now it's done. I'm going to go ahead and say Close. And now I'm going to go to my Start menu. And I'm going to scroll down to the alphabetically to P, and you will see the Python 3.7, and I'm going to expand that, and you'll see I have several options here. So the bottom two are going to be documentation and a user manual, and then you'll see a Python 3.7 here. This is the command line version. I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to go back into the Start menu, and I'm going to start the GUI version, which is called idle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up idle. And just as a sanity check, just to make sure things are working, I can go in here and just do a simple print. And I'll do just something, hello world or something. Okay, so we can see it's working, and that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for joining.